afternoon, team. Welcome to Venner Adventures. This is one of our first ones. And what we're going to do today, this is our L322 Range Rover 2010. And we're going to change the intake boost pipe. It's a very simple job. I'm trying to do more mechanical stuff. Quick word about the channel. We've been watching YouTube very recently and we thought, want to have a go yourselves. So we called it Venner Adventures. We live on a farm down in beautiful Devon, in the Dartmoor National Park. So there'll be all types of different stuff going on, whether you guys like it or not. As per usual, if you like it, hit the like button and the subscribe button. It's free, and apparently it does you better. So first things first, open the car and open the boot. The bonnet.
We're off to a good start.
Also, this is going to be non-scripted, and we're not going to change anything because I do talk a lot of rubbish most of the time, get my words wrong, but there you go.
That's right. Wrong.
Oh, also behind the camera is my lovely wife Emma. Say hello, Emma.
Hello, Emma.
Yeah. Right.
What are we doing then? I don't even know where I'm looking.
Yeah. There will be more. We've done quite a lot to this car. We were only going to keep it for a year or so, but we really like it. There's been a lot of work done to it. And the latest thing, and Range Rover owners will know this, things do go wrong, but they're a great car when they're going. And if you look after it, this has been very well looked after, actually. The driving experience, bar to none. And they're very handy.
Absolutely.
What we had recently, we had the Bong of Doom come up, which is restricted performance. And it was this pipe here that's been replaced down at a local garage. So you said all the Jubilee clips. And I thought, now from Land Rover, these are about £60.
Mm-hmm.
What I've done is bought one off Amazon. It's an OEM replacement part. In fact, I'll show it here. And I thought I can do that. So I bought this and it came yesterday for £18.99.
Absolute bargain.
It is. So, is the light okay for that?
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
First to do is, we were driving it this morning, so it's cooled down now. Take off the top cover, and we're replacing, hopefully, that one there, which seems to go well. So first thing we'll do is take off the two Jubilee clips. Good, that's come off nice. So wind them off. Obviously, I'm not a mechanic, so this is me doing it myself. I wouldn't think you'd have to disconnect the battery terminal for this.
Just quickly, would I be better filming from the other side?
You move around so you can
okay.
See where the best angle is.
We're new to this.
They're coming off nice and loose.
Oh yeah, that's better.
So that should. Oh. Yeah. Might to get some kitchen roll out.
Yeah.
Right, and hold on, make sure these don't fall off.
Yeah.
Wind it off, and there we go. That's one pipe come off. Now, is this the right one? Looks it. Let's what's it called when you open stuff up?
Unbox it.
Unboxing.
But it's unwrapping.
Yeah, unwrapping.
Does it look right?
Yeah, look.
God, spot on.
Yeah. Now, should we pause the video for 2 secs?
Yeah. Do you need some kitchen roll?
Yeah, I've got some here. Yeah, I just want to clear this off. That's nice, good contact with it. There's a bit of dirt and residue, but not too much. That's it. Yeah, definitely the same one. Use the old Jubilee clips. You can see actually the part. Oh no, it's not too bad. They've got like a little rim there, but I'm not sure if that's just tightened up with it.
All right.
That's all right. Right, put this one on. Well, it's a bit bigger, this one, so. Yeah, I'm just going to pre-tighten it. The good thing is that's got Phillips on the end.
Handy as pandy.
It is. Just tighten it up so it's a snug fit. And look where the other Jubilee clips were. So it's going to go that way, isn't it? So have it back there. It fits on well. Take the slack up, which is back there. Make sure it's seated properly. So that one was there, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Actually, the other ones do look a bit more substantial, funnily enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, but there's the other one. That was on that way, so we'll put it where the other bit was. And then we'll do it up. Just so it's nice. Get it moved up a bit more there. So it's nice and straight.
Nice and neat.
Now I'll move this around. So then, so it will go horribly wrong. That goes on that. Now, because it's a new rubber, it might be a bit tight to fit. There we go. Well, it might be because I've overdone it a bit. So, slacken that off a bit. There you go. God, that is. There we go. A bit tighter than I expected. Whoa. Right, hang on. I'm going to move that. I'm going to back that off quite a way. There we go. Yeah, just a bit of fettling. Turn that round. But don't catch any wires.
Are the tubes quite bendy, or are they just firm in place? Or
they're firm because the old ones.
I was going to say, do they?
You look.
Yeah, I was going to say, do they?
And this one's. Yeah, there's a bit more resistance to it.
Show me the other one again.
Look. This one's.
God. And is that what happens just as they age? They
do
softer.
perish over time, as they say. Come on. I see why. So back that right off. They're quite sharp, these things, actually. Here we go. It's coming slowly. If it went on easy first time, it'd be boring, wouldn't it?
It really would.
Come on. There we go. Right, we're on. So that one's lovely there. Just to turn up a little bit. Lovely. So I'm back this one right off.
Mm-hmm.
I will, if you just I'll do the link in description of where I actually got them from.
Yeah, to the where we got it on Amazon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's on nicely. That's just.
I think you could do your own kind of like Amazon shopping list as well. So where people, you can set up your own of where you've bought parts.
I'll say we're all very new to this, so we'll see how we go on. Now that looks pretty good. Now that goes right on the end there, so we'll slack this one off. Put it down to there. A bit more slack off. Yeah, so that's where the other one was. That's good. Right, start tightening it up. Make sure it's not fouling anything. Do it nice and firm. I don't want to do it too hard. And yeah, that's good. You get in here and to see. I don't want to over tighten it. That's looking good there. And there's this one. Make sure it's all fitted properly, which it is. Tighten this one right up.
Right, it's just a close up of your hands. Really
nice. Well, that's pretty good, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not going anywhere. It's nice and solid. And what I do is I keep all my old parts. So when we eventually come to sell it, people can see what we've done with it. We do like looking after. So.
And we keep all the receipts as well, don't we?
For our pack. We'll put these down here out the way.
Uh-huh.
And that. It's all nice and new. It's not fouling or catching anything. So that's the new one, and this is the newer one. There's a part number there if you want to get on there. Right, let's start her up. Oh, excuse me.
Yep.
Nice, easy job. You can do it at home.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So I'm going to keep rolling as you start.
And this is now where it doesn't start.
Exactly. That's what I thought. I'm just going to keep it
Take
going.
it down to the garage.
Woo!
Well, there you go, team. Nice, easy fix that you can do yourself with simple tools. That's probably saved. Might have got charged half an hour's labour, so that's 30 quid.
Yeah.
And also, like I said before, the new part was 60. That was £18.99 or something.
Exactly.
But yeah, nice, easy job, easy to finish. Later on, I'll take it for a run, make sure it's all working well. But anyway, that's the end of one of our first videos. I hope you like it. Again, hit the like button if you do, and subscribe. It doesn't cost any money. And we'll be doing more videos soon. So it's bye from me, and it's a bye from...
Bye from me.
Cheers. Bye.
Bye.